Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we will solve question number 8 and 9 of exercise 3.1. So let's start our lecture. Question number 8 has two parts and vector A and vector B are given. We have to find a vector of magnitude 5 in the direction of A minus 2B in part number 1. So we have to find a vector which has magnitude 5 and the direction of this required vector is the same as the direction of a minus 2b. So first of all we have to find this vector a minus 2b. So by putting values, a value of a vector is 2a minus 3j plus k minus 2 times I minus 3j plus 5k. Then we get 2i minus 2i 0i minus 3j plus 6j plus 3j and k minus 10k minus 9k. So it is equal to plus 3j minus 9k. Then we take its magnitude a minus 2b magnitude is equal to 3 square plus 9 square minus 9 whole square. So the answer is square root 90, which can be written as 3 square root 10. We can let the required vector is, let the required vector be v, then v vector is equal to magnitude of v vector which is given as 5 into a minus 2b divided by a minus 2b magnitude. The actual formula is v vector is equal to v vector magnitude into u hat. U hat means vector divided by its magnitude. So instead of writing u hat, I have opened the formula like this. So now I will put the values. V vector has magnitude 5 and the answer of this is 3i minus 9j divided by magnitude is 3 square root 10. So here cancellation will be done and the answer is 5 into I minus 3j divided by square root 10, and the final answer is 5i minus 15j divided by square root 10, which can be written as 5i by square root 10 minus 15j by square root 10, which is the required answer. In the second part, we have to find a vector whose magnitude is 3 by 7 and the direction is opposite to the direction of this. So it means when we when we use this formula, so instead of v magnitude, we will put the value of magnitude as minus 3 by 7. Here we put plus 5, here we put minus 3 by 7 because of this opposite direction. So if two vectors have opposite direction, it means their magnitude will be taken as negative sign. So I will take 3 by 7 as minus 3 by 7. So let's start. First of all, we find 3a plus b. 3. So after simplification, we get 3 2s are 6. 6i plus I 7i. Minus 3j minus 3j. Minus 9j minus 3j, which is minus 12j. And 3k plus 5k is 8k. Then we take its magnitude, which is 7 square plus minus 12 square plus 8 square, which is equal to square root 257. Then let the required vector is, let the required vector be v vector. Then v vector is equal to v vector magnitude into 3a plus b divided by 3a plus b magnitude. So now we will put the values. Minus 3 by 7 multiply by 3a plus b has value 7i minus 12j plus 8k divided by square root 257. So after simplification we get the v vector, which is the required answer of this part. Here we have completed the question number 8. Now come to question number 9. Question number 9 is the position vectors of point A and B are this and this respectively. So we have given with two vectors A and B. Find the position vector of point P dividing the line segment joining A and B in the ratio 2:3 internally. So this word is important. You have to understand the concept first. So here is the point A and this is point B and here is origin. So this vector represents the A vector and this line represents the B vector. Here is origin. So A and B are position vectors of point A and B respectively. Let us join A and B by the line segment. So here is a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:3 internally. So it means here must be third point named as C and the position vector of C is named as C, or you can write it as small r. So the ratio will be written here. 2, this part is small and 2 is the smallest number, so 2 will be written here and 3 here. So we have to find this C vector, position vector of point C, and for this we use a ratio formula which is written as R or C because we use C here. This is M and this is N. So we multiply the opposite number to the opposite vector, NA plus MB. So NA plus MB divided by N plus M. Opposite. You must keep in mind that opposite number will be multiplied. NA MB and divided by N plus M simply. So now we will put the values. N is 3, A vector is I minus 2j plus k, M is 2 and B vector is 2i plus 3j minus k divided by 3 plus 2. So 3i plus 4i, which is 7i, minus 6j plus 6j 0j, and 3k minus 2k is plus k divided by 5. So the required C vector is 7 by 5 I plus 1 by 5 k. So this is the required answer, position vector of this point C. In the next part, we are given with find a position vector of point Q dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 3:2 externally. So this word is important, internally and externally. If we are given with the word externally, we will put a minus sign over here. And if we are given with the word internally, we will put a plus sign over here. Please keep this in your mind. So one more difference is here. In the question which uses the word externally, we multiply the same. For example, 3 with A and 2 with B. In this question we will not opposite. uh, we will multiply the corresponding ratio with the corresponding vector. And here I have solved this question. mb minus na, m minus n. M is 2 and n is 3. So after simplification, the answer is minus I minus 12j plus 5k. So this is the required answer, required vector, position vector of point Q. Here question number 9 is also completed, and we are done with our today's lecture. In the next lecture we will start question number 10. Until then, you keep yourself healthy and happy. Remember me in your prayers. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.